I think some of the biggest things I've ever accomplished were in the fitness world, and I wish sometimes I can go back to when I started and be like 270 pounds and have no vision at all because there was so much hunger and I miss it. We're actually talking about it again, like I don't get this dopamine rush out of lifting weights anymore, that I don't find it fun anymore because I feel like I've done it so many times, I just lost that like drive. But when I was literally at rock bottom, huge, big fat boy, I'm not trying to be an asshole, but I was a big fat ass, and I would go to the gym, I had this drive, I was like, I wanted more, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do it, and I lost it because now I almost hit my destination, I had to find it again and again and again. And being lost and having no proof and everything like that just gave me this hunger that I miss dearly. And now we're in this different phase where we're trying to build this and we're lost trying to build this, and it's so fun because we're like, where's this going? Where can this go? And it's so much more fun because we have no clue. It's just like a process, and it's like we have this drive to it every day where you wake up and like, all right, what are we gonna make today? It's so much more fun when you're lost, really.
Yeah, it's powerful. It almost feels like an open world video game where there's no like real ending boss or anything, and you're just kind of figuring it out. Almost like GTA, if you didn't play any of the missions, you just kind of explore the world and just level up your character. That's what it feels like. And I think the biggest part in kind of being a human being is just giving life your own meaning and kind of just figuring out for yourself, like, what does it mean to be alive? Why do I even want to achieve all this success and do all these crazy outlandish dreams? Like, that's the fun in it, the journey. As much as you hear it, enjoy the journey, like the destination doesn't really matter. I think that's super true because, I mean, we're living right now in the funnest, the best moments. I can already feel that. But, you know, when we get to where we are trying to get to, it's going to be like, damn, I miss that old time. Yeah, now what?
Right, I mean, there's even studies about it that like the dopamine in your brain releases when you're chasing something. It's not me, it's science. Like when you're chasing something and you're slowly getting small reward by reward by reward, you're just happier. Like it's just a fact. Like that's like depression's when you're not moving, right? Depression's when you're stuck and you can't move anymore. So you always have to be chasing something, really, or you're gonna get stuck. Like what's the point when you have everything you want? Like the drive of getting after something and like having something to go after day after day after day is what's gonna get you up and get me going. Like everyone says I have too much energy, but I'm just fucking passionate about what I do.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm getting this. Like that's just how I am. That's what I love to do. It's how I've always been. It's just what keeps me up. It's just the what if of it all, you know, and it's the drive. I love the what if. It's the best part.
The devil's workshop is the idle mind. So just kind of sitting around and doing nothing, that's when the devil is going to put his hands on you. Stay busy, stay active, find something to attack, push that boulder up the hill soon enough.
Yeah, literally. That's the devil's going to get you when you're not thinking of anything positive. You got to be thinking of something. The brain doesn't shut off. And the devil's going to come in, creep in, and try to think about the past and things you did back then. This at the third. It's going to come after you, and it's going to warp you in with distraction after distraction after distraction. When you're dancing with the devil when you're doing nothing positive. Seriously.
Anything else to conquer?
Nothing. That's it.
I got it. All right, this was a quick one today. Just kind of something off the dome. No 10 miles today. Just hard work, exercise, stay in the gym, stay motivated, do your thing. Peace.